Example 2 on Stat 101 Examples Class 3 is using Z-scores with the example of Helen Mirren's age, the Oscar-winning Best Actress. Z-score formula, you remember from the formula sheet, the Stat 101 formula sheet, the Z-score formula is Z equals X, subtract X bar divided by S, where X bar is our sample mean and S is our sample standard deviation. In this example, from Triola, Helen Mirren was 61 when she won an Oscar for Best Actress. The Oscar-winning actresses have a mean age of 35.8 and a standard deviation of 11.3. So A, what is the difference between Helen Mirren's age and the mean age? So Helen Mirren's age was 61 when she won her Oscar. The mean age, X bar, is 35.8. So subtracting 35.8 from 61 gives us a difference of 25.2 years. This can be written as X subtract X bar. We've taken our observation of Helen Mirren's age X and subtracted the sample mean from it. In B, how many standard deviations is that? If we take this value and divide this time by the number S, which is our sample standard deviation, that will give us a measure of the number of standard deviations it is. So 25.2 divided by 11.3. 11.3, the standard deviation. A value of 2.23 to 2 decimal places. So this, in effect, is X subtract X bar divided by S, building up that Z-score formula. In C, convert Helen Mirren's age to a Z-score. This time using the full formula, Z equals X minus X bar, subtract X bar, divided by S. Helen Mirren's age was 61. The mean age of the actresses winning Oscars, 35.8, so subtract that 35.8 and divide by the sample standard deviation, the 11.3. So our value using the Z-score formula is 2.23, matching the answer we got in B. And finally, part D, if we consider usual ages to be those that convert to Z-scores between -2 and +2, is Helen Mirren's age usual or unusual? Here we're looking at Z-scores between -2 and +2, i.e. 2 standard deviations away from the mean. So is Helen Mirren's age usual or unusual? The Z-score in part C was 2.23, which lies beyond that value of 2, the usual range. So in this case, Helen Mirren's age was definitely unusual. It's unusual for an actress to win an Oscar at the age of 61. And that's the end of example 2.